Deep fryer dangers, a fire safety public service announcement. Deep fryers are a popular way to prepare turkey for Thanksgiving dinner, but they cause thousands of fires each year, as well as many injuries and deaths. Before you set up your turkey fryer this Thanksgiving, remember these safety tips. Stay away from the house. Set up the fryer a minimum of 10 feet away from your home, off decks, and away from trees, garages, and other structures. If you're using a propane-powered fryer, leave at least 2 feet between the tank and the burner. Find flat ground. Place the fryer on a flat, level surface to keep the oil even and avoid moving it once it's in use. Be careful to not overfill it with oil so it doesn't spill over when you add the turkey. Use a thawed and dried turkey. Make sure your turkey is completely thawed and dried. Ice or water coming into contact with the hot oil can cause flare-ups or even an explosion of hot oil. Monitor the temperature. Many fryers do not have thermostats, so be sure to keep track of the oil's temperature. Never leave the deep fryer unattended and keep children and pets away at all times. Use caution when touching the deep fryer, as it will become very hot and could cause burns. Be prepared. Have an ABC or grease-rated dry-powered fire extinguisher ready at all times in case the oil catches fire. Never use water or a garden hose on an oil fire. Learning and using these easy but important tips will keep you and your family safe on this Thanksgiving. This BSA was brought to you by the Greater New Bedford Vocational Technical High School's Legal and Protective Services Shop, the New Bedford Fire Department and Emergency Management Services, and the New Bedford Department of Community Services and the Fire Response Coordination Team.